Okay, the second song that we're gonna be doing is called The Drummer's Hero. I am a writer. No, I don't just write music, I love to write stories. And the reason I write stories is I want my stories to go with my music. So this was written for that same story. No, it's meant to depict victory. No, the victory of a hero, the victory of being together with the people you love after a difficult day. No. It's supposed to serve as a beacon of inspiration. For those who are going through something, there is always an end to your struggles. No. There's a journey that you have to go through, and you're going to get there. When you get there, it's going to be worth it. So, thank you. Here's our second song.